Hey awesome learners, welcome to Smart Tunes. After finishing Django, we are planning to move forward to explore new and some advanced levels of Django. On this way to explore the Django Advance, we are going to create this beautiful blog application where user can create themselves, user can create account, they can post their content over here. This will be a blog post website where any user can come create account and then they also edit their contents, and in this doing this projects we are going to learn about login, session management, database management, users and content management. Okay, so this is my plan to explore Django Advance with you. I think it will make you learn better and a easy way and a smart way to learn the Django Advanced levels. Okay, so I'm so happy to see you in this session. You can sign up this session from smartunes.com/Django Advance. Thank you.